Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly, you just have to go to the settings, then scroll down a bit, go to the system section, then go to the advanced, then to the reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data factory reset, and then confirm it by tapping erase all data, and then tap it one more time to confirm whole operation, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute or so. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.